There's a tremendous reservoir of strength within each and every one of you, an inner power that often goes unrecognized. Today, I want to remind you that you are stronger than you think. Life has a way of throwing challenges our way, and sometimes it feels like the weight is too much to bear. In those moments of doubt and difficulty, it's crucial to tap into the resilience that resides within you. Strength isn't just about physical prowess. It's about mental fortitude, emotional resilience, and the ability to rise above adversity. You've faced challenges before, and here you are, still standing. That in itself is a testament to your strength. Think about the times when you thought you couldn't go on, but you did. Recall the moments when the world seemed against you, yet you found the strength to persevere. You are a survivor, a warrior capable of enduring more than you give yourself credit for. Often, our minds create limits that our spirits can surpass. It's essential to recognize that the strength you possess is not infinite. It's limitless. You are capable of overcoming obstacles, pushing through barriers, and achieving things you might not have thought possible. Believe in yourself. Acknowledge your inner strength. Remember that even in the moments of vulnerability, there's an unyielding force within you that refuses to be defeated.